All right, guys, so I'm going to do a quick demonstration using Charles' law and Boyle's law, and a little bit of another principle of gas laws we've talked about. All right, so in this can, regular seltzer can's empty. I've got a little bit of water in the bottom, okay? Just a tiny bit of water's in here. The can is empty otherwise.
Okay, Dad?
Okay, this is my Stevie, my cameraman. He's going to try to be quiet while we film, okay?
Yeah, I can do that.
So, Stevie, show over here now. Now we've got a pan of cold water right here with some ice in it. And then just my stove. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the can on the stove, turn on the heat. You can try this at home if you check with your parents. This is fairly safe. It's a little easier on a gas stove range, but I've got a little easier on an electric one, but I've got a gas one here. All right, so we're gonna heat up the water that's inside. It's gonna take about a minute. The can's gonna get pretty hot, so I've got some tongs here.
Yeah, so
we're gonna wash the can until we see a lot of steam come out, okay, Stevie? So
okay.
we're gonna heat up that water inside. What that's gonna do is it's gonna create a lot of hot air inside the can. So we really just gotta wash the can and wait to see a lot of steam come out of that hole on top of the can.
I think I see like a little bit.
I think I do too. But we're gonna wait another second here and let it get nice and hot inside. Okay, so Stevie, when I move this over to the bath, I really need you to have the camera on this and when I move it over there, okay? All right, do you hear that, Stevie?
Yes.
A little bit of what? What's it doing inside the can, you think?
Maybe like making the water hotter.
What happens when water gets really hot? What do we call that? Starts with a B?
Boiling.
Boiling. So the water's gonna boil, and that's when we know it's really hot. And we'll see a lot of steam come out here. So you can actually hear that water boiling, can't you?
Yeah.
All right, so let's wait another second, which we see a good amount of steam coming out the top. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna try to open up this opening. It's pretty hot. See that? It's good. That's a good sign. Okay, we're almost ready here. Let this get just a teensy bit hotter.
I want to see the can be crushed.
Sure, we're giving it away. What's gonna happen? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna invert this can right into the bath of cold water, and let's see what happens. We'll explain what happens using our gas laws at the end. You ready? All right, see enough steam. Give me a countdown, Stevie.
3, 2,
Camera over here, remember?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa!
Okay.
That's a crushed can, all right.
All right, let's talk about what happened here. I'll take the camera.
Okay.
So, what just happened there? Hopefully you got a good video of it, Stevie. We got a good crush, a really good crush. All right, so remember, we heated the can on the stove. We got the air inside the can really, really hot. Well, if you think about Charles' law, what happens there? Well, as the temperature of a gas increases, its volume increases as well. Now let's think about Boyle's law. Boyle's law says as volume increases, pressure decreases. So that means inside the can, we've got a really low pressure. So when I put it inside this bath of hot water upside down, inside the can, we've got low pressure, okay? So what the ice bath does is it quickly cools down, there's cool air and cool water rushing inside the can.
Cool.
All right, so that's higher pressure. When the higher pressure meets low pressure, we see the cooler air try to rush inside the can and crush the can. All right, because fluids always flow from high to low pressure.
That was surprising how it crushed that.
Is it surprising?
Yeah, it was surprising how it crushed it.
Yeah, with no hands, we crushed it. Pretty cool, right?
And I once tore up a can and I got all scratched.
All right, say goodbye. Thanks for your help.
Bye.